So guys, finally I'm gonna make the Quattro driver of Astral Spriggan. So let's begin. So guys, to make the Quattro driver of Astral Spriggan, we need almost these pieces like this. Here I have cut 6 pieces of cardboard like this, and 8 pieces of cardboard like this, which I have make a cut here, and 4 performance tip, which is like this is balance type tip, this is balance type tip, and this is stamina tip, and this is attack tip, this is rubber, and this is defense type tip. So guys, and this is a small iron rod. Instead of this you can use any other material like refill, very thin refill, which is of 4 to 5 centimeter long, and for a kind of plus, which I have make a small hole here, and bottle cap which I have make a small hole here, and it is cut into half, and a circle which I have make a hole like here, small hole, and this small cardboard piece which I will cut later on, and this burst function system. So the first step is that we have to stick these all pieces, and first we have to take 1 2 3 pieces here, and 4 pieces, 7 pieces, 7 pieces we have to stick, then we have to stick these 7 pieces separately. So guys, let's do this. So guys, after sticking both the pieces separately, it will look like this. So guys, the pieces which I have made that small hole inside, we have to stick in between, and that which I have not make that cut, we have to stick opposite sides. So guys, now this piece is ready, so let's make the next piece. So to make the next piece, we have to take these 4 plus pieces and stick them all. So guys, after sticking this plus, it will look like this. So guys, remember, we have to leave this small hole where our this rod will fit like this. So guys, it is fitting perfectly. So guys, the next step is that we have to stick different types of this performance tips. So let's do this also. So guys, after sticking all the types of tips, I mean that 4 types of tip, it will look like this, the plus will look like this. So guys, the next step is that we have to take that small rod of thin rod, and do it like this. Yes guys, it will be both side equal. Yes, now it is perfect. You have to first stick this with Fevikwik so that it will not move at all. So guys, after sticking this small rod, now our 3 element is ready to make the driver. So guys, the next step is that we have to stick this part of burst function system in this small area which I have make hole like this. Before doing this, we have to take this and adjust here like this, and leave small space where our this tip, opposite tip, will fit, so that it will not move like this. So it will be like this. So let me adjust this guys. Yes guys, after doing this, we have to stick it with Fevikwik here like this, sideways, so that it will be very strong. Yes guys, so we have to take this part of burst function system and fit it like this. Yes guys, make sure that it will be straight like this, and then we have to stick this. Yes guys, now our burst function system is also fit in. So guys, the next step is that we have to take this here like this and stick this first. And then take this part of this driver and then stick this also, guys. So guys, now we are at the stadium. So guys, let's first test that balance type tip. So let's do this. Yup guys, that's all. This is the balance type tip, and when I will launch this in very high speed, it will be very aggressive. So let's do this. Let me show you. Yes guys, so as you can see, it is the balance type tip. So guys, let's do the another tip. So guys, let's do the defense type tip. So guys, as you can see, it is the defense type tip. So guys, let's do the mode change. So guys, I am doing that attack type tip. Yes guys. So guys, as you can see, it is the attack type tip. So guys, let me switch to that stamina type tip. Yes guys, so let's test this also. It is very much stable like that stamina type tip.